So I found out how to actually become rich, and I found out how to become rich very, very quickly. Now, the stuff I'm going to tell you today, I'm going to cover quite a lot of stuff, and yeah, I'm just going to talk to you guys about what it is that you can do to become rich basically as soon as possible. And I'm going to talk about the method on how to actually implement this and how to actually become rich using this. Because the thing is, guys, not a lot of people talk about this, and with this, you can make some serious money. And the only reason I know this is because I use it myself to make money online. I've been doing it for a while, and to be honest, I've seen some great results on doing this. Now you're probably asking, what is this method? How do you actually make money online? Don't worry guys, it's nothing to do with drop shipping. It's nothing to do with affiliate marketing. It's actually better than those things, and to be honest, it's one of the best ways to make money online. So let me give you guys the secret sauce on what it is that you can do to make money online and to make it as quickly as possible. Now on my channel, I speak a lot about drop shipping. I speak a lot about making money through affiliate marketing. I've also covered how you can make money using AI. But this method is better than all of those methods combined, because the amount you can make with this, and I have seen this for myself, I have seen this for other people that I've helped. I've also seen this with a lot of friends who've been doing the same thing, and you can seriously make some crazy money. So generally, when it comes to make money, you need to solve a problem. Now, you've probably heard this before. A lot of business gurus talk about this as well. To make money, you need to solve a problem. So if you can solve someone's problem, they will pay you money in exchange for that. And this is how you can make money yourself. Now you're probably thinking, what can I do? How can I solve a problem? Guys, every single one of us is talented in something. There must be something that you can do that not a lot of people can do, or there might be a skill that you know that not a lot of people know, and you're just quite talented in one area. In fact, I won't even use the word talented, because talented can be skewed. I wouldn't say talented, a skill that you know. A skill that you know that someone else would want to know. Everyone has a skill that they're good at that a lot of other people aren't good at. So what is your skill? This is what you've got to ask yourself. What is your skill that you're good at? And trust me, you'll be able to monetize this skill, and you'll be easily able to make over 6 figures every single year. You could easily make 10 grand a month doing this. So what am I talking about? Well, what I'm talking about is digital products. Now, digital products are probably the best thing that you can do right now. So let me first break down what is a digital product. A digital product essentially is what it says. It's a product that someone can download digitally or they can access digitally. It's literally something that is online. And what's great about a digital product is you just have to make it once, and once you've made it, that can then be downloaded or accessed multiple times by multiple people, and you'll still get paid the same. So for example, if you talk about a tangible product, that product would have to be made multiple times to then be sold to multiple customers. The beauty of a digital product is that you only have to make it once, and that can then be downloaded or accessed by multiple customers. So what this essentially means is that you'll do the work once, and as long as you keep getting customers, you'll keep getting paid. Honestly, the business model is absolutely amazing. Okay, so now you're probably saying, okay, my skill isn't worth that much, or the skill that I know isn't really going to generate me money because no one cares about it. Trust me, that's not true. Imagine there's a person on YouTube, right? She's making well over 6 figures a year. She hasn't got the massive audience. She's probably got like, what, 1,000 subscribers, slightly more, maybe 2,000 subscribers. And she has her own course on how to be a good stay-at-home wife. And she's earning 6 figures every single year just by promoting a course on her YouTube channel. So what she essentially does is create content around her course, sells it to people, and makes money. Now, a course on how to be a good stay-at-home wife, she's making 6 figures selling that course. I'm sorry, but if someone could do that, whatever skill you have, you can make money off. I'll give you another example, right? So there's a guy that's selling a course, I believe it is around $3,000. And the course is about how to basically stop drinking alcohol. So in his course, he has videos, again, which he's made once, and he talks about how you can stop drinking alcohol. And again, this is another person that's making well over $12,000 a month. Now, $12,000 a month would be life-changing to a lot of people. Imagine you could earn $12,000 every single month by doing the work once, and all you had to do was bring in customers. There's loads of other examples. There's a woman that's making 6 figures a year selling a knitting course. I mean, the fact that she's making 6 figures a year doing a knitting course is unbelievable. Now again, all of these people that I'm speaking about, they don't have massive audiences. You don't need a massive audience for this to work. Like, literally anyone can do this. And what's amazing about this is that everything is automated. So the way it works is, let's say you get in traffic. So traffic can either be brought in via YouTube or TikTok or social media in general. Other ways is through paid ads as well. Once you've got them to go onto your website, you'll then have something called a VSL, which is a video sales letter. Once they watch your video sales letter, they can then proceed to purchase your course. So again, find out what you're good at. Everyone's good at something. I don't want to hear this, or there's no skill that you have. Trust me, everyone has some sort of skill in their life. And find out what you're good at. Once you found out what you're good at, you can then monetize that. And trust me, I've seen a lot of people do this. I've seen a lot of people make some crazy money. There's a lot of clients that I've worked with as well who have made some life-changing money from this. So trust me, this does work. This is crazy. It's actually unreal. And trust me, this is one of the fastest and one of the best ways to make money online because the profit margins are extremely high. If you use something like Stripe to collect the payments, I think they take like 2% fee. So you've got like a 98, 97% profit margin, which is crazy, which is absolutely crazy. And the best part about this business model is that you'll be helping people. So you'll be helping people with your knowledge and you'll be helping people solve their problems. For example, the person that's helping people stop drinking alcohol, he's making so much money, but he's also changing lives as well. And again, guys, I want to reiterate this. Anyone can do this. Anyone can do this. So how do you do this? How do you actually implement this? So if this is something you genuinely want to do and you want to make money online and you're sick and tired of your 9-to-5 job, you want to become successful, you want to live wherever you want to live. I mean, I've moved to Dubai recently. If you want to basically have freedom in your life and you want to make money as fast as possible, this is the best way to do it. Now, guys, this is not something that you'll start tomorrow and you'll earn 20, 30, 40 grand. You're going to have to still work hard. You can't just, there is a lot of hard work in it. Now, I've got my own Discord group called the Ultimate Wealth Circle. We teach people how to make money online. We teach people how to drop ship. We teach people how to make money through YouTube. We teach people how to make money through TikTok. And recently, I've been helping a lot of people make money through selling digital products. And again, I've had a lot of success with different clients who've been using my methods to make their own digital products, to promote them. And they've been making, some crazy money. So this is why I've made this video here today, because again, I've seen success for myself. I've seen success with my clients. This definitely does work. And again, your favorite guru, Andrew Tate, Ecom Adz, you name it, they're all doing it. All they're doing is selling their knowledge to you. They've got knowledge which you want access to so you can start making money yourself. So again, it's a business model that all of these guys are using. They're all making money from. So this is what you've got to understand. You've got to look at what these guys are doing themselves to make a lot of money online. So guys, if you do want to join the Ultimate Wealth Circle and you want to learn how to do this, you can join the Ultimate Wealth Circle by clicking my website below. If you're unsure, I'd recommend to book a free call with me. The link will be in the description. That way I can find out where you are with this, if you're starting from fresh, if you've never done this before, and find out your skill, and we can find out a way to monetize that for you. And I'm not here to just promote my course and say, you know what, just buy my course. I want to earn your guys' business. I want you guys to think that if the free value I've given here is good, you'd wonder what my paid services are like. Now, you'll get some people that will watch this video and just won't do anything. For those guys, you can just stay broke, to be honest. Like, I don't really care. If you do want to take action, then again, make sure you book in a free call with me and we can go over how we can help you. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. Make sure you share, subscribe, and like, and we'll catch you guys for another video.